Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a logo, and it's completely free, and within few minutes you can create your own logo. You can use at your social media profile or any kind of business. It's a Adobe Express. Here you can see adobe.com and Express, and it's completely free, free use forever, no credit card required. I have tried lots of websites where I can make a logo, and that's also free. But why Adobe Express? So I found this cool thing is that it's a unique thing, because I found some unique and cool ideas for logo. Okay, here you can see the samples. Maybe you can create a logo with Canva, and it's a common thing is that maximum freelancer and maximum business owner, they are using the Canva and creating the same template, and it's pretty much similar thing. That's why I recommend to use Adobe Express. So let's get started. So here you can see the create a logo now. So click a create a logo now, and it will open another web page, and we have to input some ideas like tell us about your logo. So my here you can see the sample restaurant business. So you can put your business name, okay, and businesses is called you can input your business name. Okay, so this is my business. My digital marketing business is called Powerful Tutorials, and my slogan is, so I don't have any slogan, so just click on next. And the next step is choose a style. How would you describe your aesthetic? Okay, here you can see the bold, elegant, modern and decorative. So I will choose bold. Okay, bold, and click on next. Icons, help and personality, try searching for a keyword. So if you want to add any icon into your logo, so you can input that icon. So I think this one is perfect. Here you can see a dollar symbol, a computer or desktop. So let's click on it and click next. Designing logos for you. Just pretty simple. Here you go, powerful tutorials. Okay, like powerful tutorials. Okay, here you go. Our logo is ready, and you have to choose which one is perfect and which was alright. So I think this one is perfect. Okay, so let's click on customize. Okay, so we have few things left, because I can change the title also. I can change the font color, etc. So our logo is ready. So let's click on download. Okay, and it has been already downloaded here, Powerful Tutorials logo. So let's open it. So finally I downloaded our logo, and here you can see that this is our logo, and it's pretty cool, right? So let's upload this logo into our website. Like I have a Pinterest account, so I will upload the Pinterest account. Okay, so this is my Pinterest account, and this is my previous logo. So I will change my logo. So click on edit, and here you can see the change, and choose a photo. So I will upload my newly downloaded photo like Powerful Tutorials. Let's open it, and here you go. Okay, maybe this one is perfect. Okay, here you can see the Powerful Tutorials. Okay, so it's automatically saved. So let's check it out. So this is how you can create your logo. It's completely free. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.